Better. Chef Plum's here and he's showing us how to grill it. Hi, Chef.
Happy Monday to you.
Happy Monday to you as well. We smell the pizza coming from wherever you are in the
Newtown, right?
Yeah, where are you?
Undisclosed location, parts unknown. How about that? Hey, listen, I wanted to come on here and make pizza for you guys to use in the grill because of all the beautiful weather that we've been having outside. It's kind of inspired me to be making pizza. I've done it twice this weekend because it's been so great outside. So I kind of want to show you what we're going to do here. Now, I was going to be outside a little bit more, but it's really windy. So we're going to kind of do most of it inside and then go outside to finish it. Is that cool?
Yeah, it's great. Thank you.
All right. So what we're going to start with here is I've got a little pizza dough, and we've done some recipes before making pizza dough, but one of the easiest ways to do this is go to your local pizzeria and buy the dough from them. They have great dough. It makes life easy. Just go ask them. They'll sell you some pizza dough. So go buy the dough from them. No, instead of flour, what we're going to do is a little olive oil actually on the board, okay, instead of flour. It's interesting because what that's going to do is add a little bit more crisp to your dough. So I'm just going to kind of put that on there and start using my fingers to press it out. Now, what makes it a little bit more difficult is you can't use a rolling pin, right? But you can see how quickly that dough starts to stretch out using the olive oil. And that oil, like I said, makes it end up being a little bit crisper on the grill when you do it because the grill has a little bit higher heat, right? So with the higher heat, you want to make sure you're not burning it. You just want to crisp it up on the bottom. Now, you could burn it up a little bit, kind of like a New Haven style pizza if you wanted to, right?
Yeah. You know what the dough said to the fingers, right?
Oh, boy. What did the dough say to the fingers?
I'm so impressed by you.
Now, my question to you guys, how many times have we said that joke?
Thank you.
Okay, so
that was pretty good.
I have tried to make pizza on the grill before because you told me it was great, but I never knew you didn't have to roll it out. So that's life-changing. You're just using it on a cutting board with some olive oil.
That's right, a little olive oil. As you can see, look at that. I'll show you up on the main camera here. Look how much it's stretched out, how quickly that's stretched out, right?
Yeah, that looks really good.
So what you want to do is you kind of get that oval square shape. And now the idea here is once you get to this position, just like this, I want to take this and take it outside to my grill. Now on my grill, I've got it on high. I've scraped it down so it's nice and clean. And I use a little pan spray right here. I just spray down the grill so it's not, the extra layer of non-stickiness. And what happens is your dough ends up cooking like this. Right, I'm going to show you on one side. Look at that. See, you want to go 90 seconds on one side and about 2 minutes on the other. And what happens is it gets that beautiful char on there. It's nice and crispy. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to add a little bit of cheese to it. I've got some cheese on there. I've got a little Romano and I've got a little tomatoes on there. Put a little this is mozzarella cheese, and then I love pepperoni, so we'll do a little pepperonis on there. And then we're going to take a walk outside to the grill. It's going to be really fun here. Look at this. And here's the cool part about this, you guys, is I got to spend
2 minutes on the other.
And
one more time?
90 seconds on one side, 2 minutes on the other, and then you come in and put all the toppings on?
Yes, you're going to come inside then and put your toppings onto it, right? So it makes it a little bit easier because you do it inside and outside.
Okay.
You can bring your toppings outside, was my plan, but like I said, it's super windy outside. So we're going to try to do this one part out here.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get out here and do this. I took the wind chimes down because they were loud. All right, so here we go. So I've got my grill on high, okay? Let's see, there we are. I'm going to paste the grill here for you. And then what we're going to do is we just open it up, and I'm going to slide this guy right on there.
What temperature is the grill on?
High, he said.
Just total
my grill
high,
is on high. It's rocking. Full on high. Yep, full on high. Let it ride. After you cleaned it up and put a little of that spray down there, it won't stick at all. Kind of fun. I got to spend Friday, you guys, with the Connecticut General Assembly to testify to make pizza our state food. How fun is that?
Oh, that's so cool.
I think that would be really
It was awesome.
There you are.
I equated pizza to a child that needed to be adopted, so I think we might get this.
That's good. Good for you.
So once it's in here, it's going to take about a minute and a half or so. My grill's rip roaring hot, so maybe I'm hoping it won't take quite that long. And then once you pull it out of here, that dough is going to be super crispy, beautifully charred, and those toppings are going to be melted. I'm telling you what, this is the easiest way to make pizza at your house. It's so simple, and it comes out delicious. Let's see where we are.
Okay.
Almost there.
That's good. That's good enough.
But it comes out great. The key thing you got to watch out for is if you're using fresh mozzarella, that puts out a lot of moisture. So make it in small pieces and spread it out a lot.
Okay. Thank you, Chef. We appreciate your time.
Oh, you're making us hungry. Thank you.
We appreciate you guys. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.